All right, so for this one, it says select all the functions that have a y-intercept of 0, 5. So here's the interesting thing. Each one of these has a each one of these has this b raised to the x, and you might think, well, Mr. Adams, duh, but this is important for us solving this problem. So they all have this b to the x, but remember that the y-intercept x comma y, x equals 0, and my y value, which is really the same as f evaluated at x, is equal to 5. Okay? So when I plug in 0 for x, I get b to the 0. And the interesting thing about that is b to the 0, it doesn't matter what b is, anything raised to the 0 will equal 1. So then 1 times whatever this number is this number plus or minus whatever this number is. So as long as that equals 5, then I'm good. In other words, negative 5 times 1 plus 5 is the same as 10 minus 5, which is just 5. So this one works. Now this one, if I do the same thing, this becomes 1. What's 2 times 1? 2. What's 2 plus 5? 7. That one doesn't work. Scroll down to the next one. This becomes 1. 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. What's negative 3 plus negative 5? Negative 8. This one doesn't work. This one here. This whole thing becomes 1. 1 times 7 is 7. What's 7 minus 2? 5. That one works. The last one is this whole thing goes to 1. 1 times 5 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. So among all these options, the first and the fourth option are the only ones that add up to positive 5. And that's it. Now they put b in there because it doesn't matter what number. 2/3 raised to the 0 is 1. 1,000,000 raised to the 0 is 1. And b is the letter we use because we call that the base. Okay? So that's it on that one. That was an easy one to start the day off with.